Now we will go to for the 5 step. The 5 step is, for example, we have 2 milling cutter. You need to change tools. So how to set up the second milling cutter Z position? Okay.
好，进入 MDI。
You must choose the model select and then click the MDI and then return.
Run.
And click F4 run.
MDI.
And from here you click F3 MDI input. And here it is the first, you change to the second milling cutter and click F1 OK. And it will be the second milling cutter and click the cycle start. And wait 3 seconds. The spindle will change the second milling cutter. You must notice when the first milling cutter at the first position, the first position must don't have the milling cutter. Now the spindle will change the second milling cutter and we start set up the second milling cutter position.
你再回来，再去对高度上。
还得用手轮上。You must still use the MPG to find the Z position.还是那个数吧，194.7。
136.9。
能不能很
136，那是哪
136.9
那是那咋的？
好，136.9哈，好嘞。So now the Z position is plus 136.9, and click F4 run. Click F5 to set. From here, it will be set up the second milling cutter length. So because the first milling cutter position is this, the second milling cutter is this. So this and this 等于 57.8. So you input the 57.8.
可以从这里以后。
And you can
从这里看这样。
You can input here.
然后回车。
And回车。Use the enter. It will change to 57.5. Okay. So for this step, it will finish the second milling cutter Z position start set up. 好了。